Today we are going to be replacing the front wheel hubs on the Suburban. Ordered these on Amazon, and they're like 122 a piece. Altogether with shipping came to 250, so we're going to put those on today. One of the things that Charlie's doing for homeschool this year is he is doing automotive technology, and so today we're going to do some hands-on stuff, and I'm going to do one side and he's going to do the other. For a long time I wasn't sure if I had bad wheel hubs or not. Wasn't sure the symptoms. I was hearing a light thunk every once in a while when I would drive, thunk, 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 thunk on the passenger side. So about a couple of months ago I decided to lift up the front end and see what happens here. So this is how I can tell that my wheel hubs are bad. So you can see the whole wheel just wobbles back and forth. So we're going to take care of that today. The other side is not as bad, but it's pretty bad. So first thing we're going to do is take the wheel off, and we'll assess what we need to do to put the new one on. Alright, so here's the tool tip. To get this nut off, which spins all the time on you, you take and put a socket right there. It'll hold it in place while you take your nut off.
This is the one. This is the side.
Okay. Go and pull the hub off. Oh, you already pulled the hub off, huh?
We're here.
I missed it.
Well, I just whoop,
It just slid right off, huh?
it just slid off.
Okay. Go ahead and clean that surface up.
With what?
I'll get you something. Clean that surface up, and I've got the grease right behind you.
Go on.
Here, try this. So I centered that around there now. That helping?
Yep. Yep.
All right, so the next thing you do is what? What do you want to do next?
These.
Put those on?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, well, Charlie pretty much did this whole side by himself. The only thing I did was I verified the tightness of the caliper bolts for the brake. But he did everything else himself. He's getting ready to put the tire on, and we're going to call it complete. It does appear that my upper and lower ball joints are bad on the other sides. They're probably bad on this side too. We'll check here in a second. So that'll be the next thing we replace on this. Okay, so what'd you think?
Good.
We started around 12:30. You had a little lunch in there around, I don't know,
2 o'clock-ish?
2 o'clock. What time is it now?
3.
It is 4:30. So 4 hours minus a half-hour lunch. So it took us 3.5 hours to do this. Ready to do it again?
No.
When we do the upper and lower ball joints, we do a lot of this all over again. So yes, as you probably heard me say earlier in the video, driver's side upper and lower ball joints are bad. On the passenger side, the upper ball joint is bad. So we'll go ahead and get them ordered off of Amazon. That'll be the next thing you do. Now, I replaced the upper and lower ball joints way a long time ago, back before when we were still in Kansas. So it's been 7-8 years ago. And I don't know, probably Well, close to 100,000 miles, because yeah, we came up here. I don't remember what the mileage, but right now it's sitting at 286,000 miles. So I don't know how long ball joints are supposed to last. So if you have any comments, leave them below or suggestions. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great day. Let's go inside.
Okay. It's cold.